Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll talk about the Kiwi Ears Allegro Pro, but before I begin, let me thank Linsol for providing the dongle for this review. Rest assured, my review is 100% my own personal opinion and Linsol has no input in this review. Okay, so here is the box itself. It looks okay and minimalistic. Okay, so let's open the box. Also, the Allegro Pro is priced at $60 and inside the box you get only the dongle itself, nothing else. Okay, for the build quality, the Kiwi Ears Allegro Pro feels nice and it is solid because the housing is made out of aluminum, but for some reason my unit has this kinda small scratch is out of the box, but most likely this was because of, well, beloved Indonesian customs opened the parcel and yeah, they opened the Allegro Pro and maybe they thought I was smuggling some weird item or I don't know. So maybe they kinda accidentally bumped this into something or I'm not sure. So yeah, it is what it is. There's also a button that can be used to change or switch the Allegro Pro to be compatible with the Nintendo Switch and to change the sound modes. There are actually 3 modes: game, movie, and music. But just an advice from me, keep it in the default music mode, because both movie and game mode is just like, sorry to say, but it's like a random dude just applying EQ randomly. So yeah. On the left side of the dongle there's a single-ended jack and on the right side there's a balance 4.4 jack. Also, the Allegro Pro kinda forced their way to market this dongle as RGB-ish, but like there's only this, I don't know if the camera, yeah, there's only these small LED holes, like we barely can see it. So Kiwi Ears, hello. What's up with the obsession of RGB? Anyway, as for the specs, the Allegro Pro uses dual ESS ES9603. I believe this chip is a combo like integrated DAC plus amp. As for the output power, the single-ended jack is rated at 68 mW at 32 ohms, while the balanced jack is rated at 170 mW, also at 32 ohms. As for the features, Nintendo Switch compatible but not sure with Switch 2 though. Also the gimmicky RGB and sound mode. Okay, for the sound, Kiwi Ears marketed the audio performance as, I will read it, clear and detailed high frequencies. The advanced DAC decoding ensures crystal clear highs, ideal for high resolution audio and intricate details. Powerful and deep bass. The enhanced amplifier provides robust power for impactful bass, maintaining clarity and fullness. And the last one, they claim that wide soundstage. The precise audio decoding creates a broad and immersive soundstage reproducing all layers of sound with exceptional accuracy. Well, let's see. I will just describe it with the music mode because the movie mode and game mode is just straight up gimmicks. So yeah, tonality in general, the Allegro Pro is neutral, slightly analytical and feels like airy. The only thing I noticed when I use this dongle is like slightly bright, but not in a bad way. Okay, for the bass. It is thumpy, definitely not bloated. But let's say if you're coming from your smartphone jack, the Allegro Pro gives you more thumpy bass than your smartphone. Also, I kinda tested this using the HD650. I found the bass control to be just okay at best. Maybe the Allegro Pro doesn't have enough juice to power the HD650 to its full potential or something, I'm not sure. But most likely because it's like kinda small-ish dongle, so I assume the user gonna use it with some kind of IM. So I'm just testing the HD650 and yeah, that's the result. As for the mid-range, it is a bit lean sounding. Well, not exactly lean, it's just like, how do I describe it? It's like very clean without any extra MSG for more musicality. Like vocals and instruments sounds a bit sterile, but don't be confused with the word sterile. It's not the same as lifeless. It still sounds nice, but it's just like what I said earlier. It's kinda clean-ish, and it feels like kinda not colored in a way. As for the treble, it is slightly accented, not to the point that it made your IM or headphone sounds bright. But again, as I said, it feels like the Allegro Pro is trying to present us with a very nice, airy, clean sound overall for its tonality. I'm not sure, but at least that's what I heard. Okay, for the technicalities, it is very good for a 60 USD dongle. Okay, let's start from the stage. What about their claim about the wide and excellent stage layering and stuff? Well, it is kinda excellent for its price. Well, at least Kiwi ears didn't lie about their marketing, which is always nice. To see a company being honest and not trying to oversell their product like, this thing can kill other thing and stuff, something like, yeah, good job Kiwi ears. As for the imaging, I can say it's good. The Allegro Pro definitely can handle holographic imaging if your IM or headphones can present it. But don't expect miracles like out of nowhere by using the Allegro Pro that somehow your KZ IM or other IM out of nowhere to becomes holographic. So yeah, I can only say the imaging is good. As for the separation and positioning, it is very good. Thanks to the clean and slightly analytical presentation, I can easily pinpoint and discern what and where the sound is coming from with the Allegro Pro. So there's no complaints here. As for the detail retrieval, it is very good. It can extract a lot of micro details for a 60 USD dongle, especially the treble detail. If you're coming, let's say, from a budget smartphone like me, I'm using Poco M6 Pro, yeah, I'm broke anyway, haha. The treble detail is like, wow, such a revelation. But again, don't expect a crazy detail monster level because this is technically still a budget dongle. So keep your expectation in check. But then, for a budget dongle, if you're searching for a slightly more analytical sound rather than generic like the super crowded Cirrus Logic dongle, you can get it here. Okay, now what's the conclusion of this review? I actually can recommend the Kiwi Ears Allegro Pro if you want a more analytical sound presentation with excellent detail retrieval for the price. Though personally, from a pure tonality, it's just the tonality, like the tonality standpoint, because I am quite obsessed with thick, fully saturated sound, the Allegro Pro sounds a bit sterile to my ears. Well, maybe not to your ears, but at least to my ears this thing kinda a bit too sterile, like it lacks MSG. That's how I kinda word it. Okay, that's all from me for now. Thanks for reaching this far. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Want more video like this? Subscribe and please share it with your friends. Also, just a quick plugin. I actually open a commission on mixing and mastering, like audio mixing and mastering, and I also open a commission on a simple like loopable BGM stuff. So hit me up if you're interested. The email are on the description. Okay, till next time. Bye for now.